What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tayelotto, and I'm back here with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about exactly how I was able to generate over $500,000 in one single month with Shopify Dropshipping, and the three components that led to that amount of success and what it actually takes to get to that success. So basically, the number one thing that I personally think led me to that amount of success is, number one, commitment. So I stayed committed every day. I woke up 6 a.m., checked on my sales, checked on my email marketing, checked on my Facebook ads. And about that, those three components that I just named, the sales were always good. The emails were always sent out. And my Facebook ad account was always blocked. A new one would get blocked every single day that I woke up. So that's why I always took all my family members' accounts, and then I transferred my pixel onto those new Facebook ad accounts and just kept scaling my ads, kept scaling them, taking family members' accounts, friends' accounts, and just making it work. The number two component is to be consistent. Now, I've had multiple times where my product was not selling. I was getting no sales. And often at times I just had to keep going. Literally just keep going, stay consistent through the ins and outs. It's going to be days where you're strolling on Facebook, 300 sales, 400 sales, 500 sales a day, and then you will not get no sales on that fourth day or that next day after those consistent sales have been coming in. It's just Facebook's algorithm, and you just have to really keep up with everything, keep up with the pace, and stay consistent with the work that you put in on a day-to-day basis. And last but definitely not least, I was always in the loop. So the third component is that I stay in the loop. Every time that I hopped on my social media, my phone, my cellular phone, I was always learning every chance I got. So I would stay up hours and hours, and I'm talking like late at night on school nights. As a high schooler, I would stay up after hours just to learn Facebook ads under the covers till 5 in the morning, playing like I was asleep. When my parents walked in asking me to, get ready and go to school, I was up watching Facebook ad videos, Google ad videos to learn exactly how to market online and generate sales. That's the most important thing that I would stress on my YouTube channel, is to learn how to run Facebook and Google ads and market online and generate sales. You can literally do anything in this world that you want to do if you learn how to drive traffic from one product to generate sales. That's it. All you need is eyeballs. If you got it, let's just say you're selling anything. Like, let's say you're selling a ring. If you get that ring, this ring right here, in front of 100 million people, you let me know if you're gonna be rich. All you have to do is say, will you buy this ring? To 100 million people, you're gonna be rich. So that is the three components that led me to success and generate over $500,000 in one single month as a Shopify dropshipper. That is what I did. Now, remember, guys, to enter the $10,000 cash giveaway. $10,000 cash will be given away in March 2021. One winner. Then we'll do it over, but the next time I'm looking to do above 10K. We don't know yet, but I'm looking to do above 10K. So $10,000 cash giveaway. All you have to do is like, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.